Welcome back to Getting You to the Morning Joy, and today is about body pains. I probably will keep renewing and redoing some of the very important videos because these are very important to keep you independent, mobile, and taking care of your life. And that would be one, body pains. When your body hurts so bad that it hurts to get out the bed in the morning, you're pulling yourself through. Every movement hurts with anything that is flaring, blaring, pain, injured, irritated, autoimmune, flare-ups, arthritis, injury, anything that is causing swelling, muscle fatigue, muscle inflammation, body inflammation, neuropathy, anything. If I'm missing any diseases, there's tons of them, there's too many to name. Basic point is if you have pain when you move or your body is stiff, rigid, and hurts for any of those reasons or more, the main thing is to eat a couple, 3, 4, 5, 6 bites of watermelon. What did I just say? Watermelon. There is a very, very secret hidden in watermelon that moisturizes and hydrates your core, your body, your muscles, your tendons, giving you the ability to move and go about your day and your life without spending an hour putting on pain creams, arthritis creams, fibromyalgia creams, any creams. You are already reduced your pain by just eating a couple of bites of watermelon. I would eat a couple of bites in the morning, and I would eat a couple of bites in the evening. And yes, unfortunately, during some seasons you won't find watermelon, but when you see it again, get it. It is very important. You get it, it's as fresh as you can get it, if not the freshest. Enjoy it. Moisturize your body. Probably drink aloe vera water as well to help with the moisture. There's something in the moisture that's moisturizing your muscle fiber. You'll wake up and you'll walk right out of here and you'll forget an hour's worth of lotioning ointments and salves for pain. And your arthritis and itis and issues and tissues will decrease in inflammation, and you will just show up for your appointment at your doctor's and they'll ask you, how are you doing? And you're going to be like, oh, what pain? Eat your watermelon. 4 to 6 bites. Chunks of watermelon. Seedless, unseedless, red. I haven't tried the yellow or any other fancy colors they have out there yet, but I might try them. But the red watermelon, seed or not seedless, enjoy it. And I usually put it in a plate of guacamole, chips, and watermelon for a nighttime, along with some mama's tea. And hopefully you wake up healthier tomorrow than you were today. And then tomorrow you can make yourself healthier than you were yesterday. Get you to the morning joy. Be safe out there.